Hi my loves, yay, another workout video. Sorry I missed last week. Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing kettlebells, yay. You can do 5 pound, which I have right here, or you can do 10 pounds, yay. My shoulder is killing me, as you can see. I'm doing PT right now, so I have like a lot of pain in my shoulder. But also, I wanted to let you guys know I lost weight. I'm feeling a little slim thicky now. So I've been working out, and I definitely see the results. I try not to weigh myself, but I'll give you guys an update another time. Let's just get right into it. So we're just gonna do some stretching. This is not timed. I was trying to count in my head. I gotta work on the whole time thing. At this point, I would say just listen to the music and follow me as much as you can. If you have kettlebells, that's great. If not, you can use like a gallon of water or whatever you have that has weight in the house. It's easy to lift. So you can also start warming up. Once again, this is not counted or timed. I would say just zone out and follow me. It's a 10-minute workout, low impact, pretty easy. Just gonna warm up. The whole process behind my workout videos, at least right now, is to just keep moving, right? If you're injured or overweight. If you want more hardcore workouts, you can go to my ones like earlier on in my channel. Those are more hardcore, but I'm not there right now. I'm still recovering. So you can look at those videos if you want to get tested a little bit more. These are kind of simple, low impact. are almost done, you guys. As you can see, I've done this video with a lot of pain in my knee and in my shoulder, and if I can do it, you can do it. Just remember, just keep moving no matter what. Besos.